Welcome to the magical world of adventure with Webtoons TV.
Hello friends. Today I'm excited to tell you a story about the kindness garden. In a small village, there lived a young girl named Sophia. Sophia loved gardening and taking care of her plants. One day, she decided to create a kindness garden where she could grow flowers and vegetables with her friends. As Sophia worked in her garden, she met a new neighbor, Mrs. Patel, who had just moved in next door. Mrs. Patel was very kind and offered Sophia some beautiful flowers from her own garden. Sophia was thrilled and thanked Mrs. Patel. She asked Mrs. Patel to help her plant some flowers in her kindness garden. Mrs. Patel was happy to help and shared some of her favorite flowers with Sophia. As they worked together, Sophia learned that Mrs. Patel had a special talent for gardening and had won many awards for her beautiful flowers. Sophia was impressed and asked Mrs. Patel to teach her some of her secrets. Mrs. Patel was happy to share her knowledge and taught Sophia how to care for the flowers and make them bloom. Sophia listened carefully and respected Mrs. Patel's expertise. As the kindness garden grew, Sophia and Mrs. Patel became good friends. They worked together and shared their love of gardening with the rest of the village. The villagers were amazed by the beauty of the kindness garden and thanked Sophia and Mrs. Patel for their hard work. Sophia learned that respect is an important part of building strong relationships and creating something beautiful together. From that day on, Sophia continued to tend to her kindness garden with respect and kindness, inspiring others to do the same. We hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories and adventures.